Oh my gosh, what the freak is this? What the freak? Oh, what the freak is this? What is this? What is? What's up, team? I'm back in the building for another episode of You Got Mail Part 7. I feel good right now, y'all. Y'all know how I feel. I feel hype. I mean, just overall hype. I'm looking at all these packages and I'm getting hype. I mean, this week I have Black Panther, the All-Star Weekend. Me and Joey Joe came together. We got a studio. We moving forward, so I feel real good, y'all. And for all the love and support you guys are giving me, I'm like, oh, it just makes me feel so good inside. So let's get into this You Got Mail Part 7. Let's go ahead, y'all. First thing first, obey your thirst. Sprite. Y'all remember that commercial? She used to be lit. Come on at the Soul Train. Let's see what's up in here. This is from an independent artist. Oh, bruh. All right. All right. I saw this one first, and I have to say, this shirt is lit. Look, it's the old school Batman, but look what it says, y'all. Panther. That sheet is lit. This is what I'm talking. Oh, this is that good material. Oh, 50% polyester. Oh, this is tight. This is tight, y'all. Y'all see that? This is tight. I like this one. I'm rocking this shit. I'm rocking this. I like this. This that old school working in the Disney store. You freaking put the. I like that. What's this one? What's this? Ooh. I'm like, woo, woo. Oh, bruh. This is tight. Got my boy T'Challa with the biggie, bruh. I ain't see, man. Oh, dude. Oh, I wish I did this before I went and saw Black Panther. I'm purposely going to watch Black Panther 2 more times, and I'm gonna rock each one of these shirts, man.
I'm a man of my word.
That's for real. This is lit. That's tight. That's tight. That's tight. That is dope. I like these shirts. Bruh, that just ooh, it gives me that Batman Panther feel. And this guy just screaming all over it, bruh. This is some gangster shit right here, bruh. I love it.
And if you don't know, now
I
you
love
know,
it.
nigga.
This is tight. This shirt is lit. And you know what I really like about it? You got the collar on point. Like I have sometimes I have shirts where my collar my collar comes out far. It's like, ah man, I want to show my chest, man. Make me feel like a bodybuilder. Oh, okay. I like this one. The Crew My Hero Academia on that. This will be rocked at the Anime Expo 2018. You know that. I got my Attack on Titan shirt too. I'm already getting my fish ready for the anime takeover. I mean, the anime takeover for real. The Anime Expo. And I'm gonna rock this on my anime takeover reviews, man. Bruh. Team, who sent this? Let me know in the comments down below. This shit lit. For real. Shout out to my lady subscribers too, man. You guys are great. Who sent these shirts? I'm feeling each one of those 100%. Like, you guys already know how I get down. I got tons of shoes. I got all types of styles. I already know what shoes to rock with this. I already know what shoes I'm going to buy for these. And I know exactly what shoes I'm going to rock with these. Shh, tight. I know exactly. You know, they come out, I think, this week. OVOs. All right, we have another one. Feels like a shirt. An artist on RedBubble. Okay. Let's see what's up. Ooh, this that lit sheet. This that good right here. This that good. Look at that bag. It's like having a sandwich. This that good. That color. I like that color. I don't know what it is though. Oh, that new I got swag smell. It's like, dude. Bruh. Oh my, who sent this? Oh, dude. Ladies, oh, freak. This is probably one of the illest shirts I've ever seen. My Hero Academia. My boy Deku side by side by All Might. Look at that sheet. Look at this. This shirt is fire. Freak. Oh man. This shirt is fire. As soon as this video is over, I'm buying a pair of shoes for these right here. I will be the flyest dude. Just tell me. Look, I'm gonna go to. I'm not officially going to E3 yet, but I see that green. I like going my Xbox, but I'm not going to E3 yet. But if I do, I got E3. I'm officially going to WonderCon. I'm going to the Anime Expo. Those are official. Tell me which one you want me to rock this shirt. I do not want to rock this shirt after it's been used. You know what I mean? Like wearing it a couple times. I want to make a grand entrance. And this is that shirt to make a grand entrance. This is one of the illest, well-made shirts I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. This shirt is fire. This shirt is fire. Medora and freaking All Might. Thank you. Oh, this episode's already on point, bruh. Oh my gosh. You Got Mail Part 7. 4 epic shirts. I got the Panther Batman. I got the Panther Big. Freak. I got 2 My Hero shirts. Fire. I should have known it was fire. They had the container in this ice cold ceiling. Yes. That's dope. Oh, freak. Hey, right now, this is already on point. You get one of these. I don't know whoever sent these shirts already. Thank you. That is dope. Freak. Got my throat dry already. Tight. Oh my gosh, man. Oh, that was tight. Tight. We got another one. It says Jay-3 Entertainment. Got a little weight on it. It's like on some Sesame Street. Oh, we going down the Muppets. Ah! All right, so look. Here we go. Let's get this thing popping, man. Ooh. Oh man, this is great. Oh dude, this is great. Oh dude. Oh gee. Oh man. Yeah. I got Clayface, baby. I got Scarecrow. Pops is on point. Dope. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Oh, bruh. And this right here, baby. The 3rd generation of the DC encyclopedia. I didn't even know this was out yet, baby. This is on point. Got all the new information on DC Comics. Yes, this is lit. Got my boy Darkseid, Vandal, Savage, Cheetah, Ivy, Joker, bruh, Batman, Superman, Batgirl, Wonder Woman, Cyborg, freaking Supergirl, Flash, Gorilla Grodd, bruh, freaking Captain Black Adam, freaking Deathstroke, Harley Quinn, Black Manta, freaking Lex Luthor. God dang it, bruh. This that new stuff right here. Oh man. Knowledge. Oh my God. All that new knowledge. Fire. This is the third one. I got the first, second, and now new to the team, the third generation. Oh my gosh. This is fire. This is what this bruh. This right here, all those epic comics, this right here makes us legit. I'd be like, what'd you say? What'd you say about Batman? Hold on. Batman, let's see. Okay, Batman. Game. Please put in the comments down below. Whew, epic, right? That right there will be read all the time. I stopped reading my old ones because some of the knowledge was behind. Things had changed. But for certain characters, it all stayed the same. Fire. Look at that freaking, look at Clayface, baby. Look at Clayface. Look at Scarecrow. Look at that. This is fire. Y'all, hey, comments down below who sent that. That's fire right there. That encyclopedia, I love that. I love them encyclopedias.
He ain't lying.
Here we go. Alright, let's see what's up. Hope you guys having fun like me right now. This is amazing. I love opening boxes. I love opening gifts, man. Shout out to the team for being so freaking giving and epic at the same time, and loving and caring, helping us on this move. Oh my gosh, what the frick is this? What the frick? Oh, what the frick is this? What is this? What is... This day can't get no better. This day can't get no better. This day can't get no better.
It can. Oh, yes, it can.
Look like your boy Jay-3 has a Black Panther Marvel painted statue. Oh, look at T'Challa. Look at this. Look, Black Panther coming to the main grand scale wall of epicness built by Jay-3 and Team Jay-3. This is right here, the modern version Black Panther. And you know it's got a little age on it because the box is aged. And I love epic stuff, especially when it got age on it. Let's take a look at this Black Panther statue right here. Oh my gosh. It looks like it's never been opened. It looks like it's never been opened. Oh my gosh. Who sent this? Was this you, Cecil? Because you told me it was something Black Panther and I wasn't for sure. For y'all don't know, Cecil's a big supporter of the team, of the channels. Oh, this has never been open, bro. Oh, this has never been open, bruh. This has never been open, bruh. Oh my gosh. Bruh, this has never been open. Black Panther, baby. Oh, this day can't get no better. This day can't get no better. Oh my gosh. This food looks lit. This food looks lit. Wait, what that box look like? Let me see some. Well, obviously he gonna go right here, baby. Look at this shit. It gets no better than that. Black Panther, baby. But where would this go? It says the Embassy of Wakanda. I don't know where these go, but I'm gonna find out. This says Embassy of Wakanda, but a piece is missing in between. But look at your baby Black Panther right here. Oh, I feel like I won a freaking Oscar right now. Thank you, whoever. The love and support, showing me an epic character. First time I got to really experience this character this week. And I'm gonna be honest with you, this right here means a lot to me. More than you guys think, man. I got to see a black hero on camera. I got to experience it. And I got a chance to see what he meant. And this really means a lot to me right now, man. This one means a lot to me. And it's like a tenfold right in my face right now. All them years I never got a chance to learn who Black Panther was because I wasn't really informed on him. And it was funny, I was talking to my mom about him. She was like, I didn't know he existed. Thank you. You bring tears to my eyes, man. This fool looks amazing, man. The movie did something for me, and this statue does something for me. And I know where I'm going to put him on my epic wall. Thank you. Dang, man, the love is so strong in here, man. The energy. Look at Black Panther, y'all. Look at him. It's like that Batman, though. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I can see myself in that suit. You know? I can see myself. That gold is popping. This is 633 out of 1,000 made in. It's a 2004 statue. Dope. Thank you. I gotta find where this go. It must go right here or something. Like you put it right there. It must go like that. Thank you. That fool look lit, bruh. Can't wait to show everybody in my house that Black Panther in Jay-3 Entertainment on the wall of epicness. I love it. I'm loving it. Oh man, this is. You guys don't know. I am so grateful. I thank you everybody just for watching, thumbsing this video up, subscribing, showing love, donation, Patreon, everything. I am so grateful. I think to myself like, sometimes I don't want to sound. I don't know if I deserve all this love and support, you know. But thank you. I truly appreciate it. Free. This has been an epic week. Got another one, man. Another Jay-3 Entertainment. Amazon. Free. Who sent this? Man, bruh, you put Psylocke. You put Psylocke. You put Psylocke on the epic wall, y'all. Y'all see that? Psylocke is in the mother freaking building. She is gorgeous, sexy, and cunning at the same time. Man, if I was an X-Men, which I would be Gambit, I would have messed with Mona Me right here. We got a thing that says, "What's up, Jay-3? Hope you like the statue. Just a small way to show appreciation for your amount of time and effort you put into your videos, live streams. Stay on the grind, your grind, bro." BJ Phantom with the epic Psylocke premium collection 12-inch tall statue. This shit is fire. Hold up, there's some more stuff in here. Let me see. Hold up. Let me show. Okay. Thank you, BJ Phantom, man. Alright, you know I'm finna get on Psylocke, right? Oh man. The authentic diamond select. I love it. I love these cards, man. This is statue 845 out of 3,000. This is looking like a little marble going on right now. And shout out to everybody, man, for showing love and watching us grow on YouTube, man. Being 100% DC, but we even though we knew Marvel, man, you know we had love for him. We're just a little blinded, and luckily we found our way. And you guys show a lot of support, man. Freaking Psylocke, man. Psylocke is gorgeous. I hate the way they did her in that Age of Apocalypse bullshit. Freaking Psylocke in the building, man. My hair is raising off this shit, man. Oh shoot, she's beautiful. Psylocke is gorgeous and beautiful at the same time, cause she's all that in a bag of Jay's hot stuff potato chips, which are my favorite potato chips of all time. Jay's hot stuff potato chips, which are my favorite potato chips. It's not in LA, it's more of a Midwest thing. I smell her titties, y'all. She is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that detail. Look at that purple hair. Look at her going down that rooftop. That thickness. Look at her, yo. She's gorgeous. Psylocke in the building, baby. Woo! Next to Black Panther. Look at him. Look, Black Panther looking at that booty right there. Like, what is that? Shout out to you, BJ Phantom, man. Thank you, brother. I like that one. That's a shocker statue, because I wasn't expecting that, but I like Psylocke. Shout out to you. I like that. And I keep these, man. Alright, what we got? We got one right here, y'all. This says Jay-3 Entertainment. Doesn't say anything else. Personalizationmall.com. So this looks like this might have been created, yo. Look like it might have been created. Okay. Alright, you guys. Okay. I have no idea what this is. I don't know what this is. It said personalized gift. See? I don't know what this is. Sounds like crowns or something up in there. Okay. Oh, hold up. Whoa. 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 Wow. Who sent this, y'all? I think this is BJ Phantom, man. Wow. Gave me a personalized wood grave pen that says Jay-3, aka the Batman, yo. You got me shaking, dog. No homo. Bruh. This is special. Bruh. Look at the engraving. Look at that. It says Jay-3 Entertainment, one part of the Justice League. Wow. Wow. Let me get this one. The love is real. I ain't never seen nothing like that, man. Whoa. Gave me like a journal notepad, epic book. Like, how do I say this? This is an office professional full pad portfolio. Says keep writing, never give up, and obtain your dreams. Jay-3 Entertainment. Whoa. I will. Wow. This is really special. This is really special. This is really special, y'all. Free. This is special, man. God. It's like I won an award ceremony or something, man. This engraved pen. I could do so much with this, man. I could write people's documents out for them, you know, write my stories. I could fire people with this folder. You're fired, you know. Thank you, man. This is very touching. Wow. Thank you, man. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Keep writing, never give up, and obtain your dreams. Jay-3 Entertainment. One part of the Justice League. Wait till I show my girl this, man. She might start crying with me. Thank you. That was fire. That was fire. That was fire. I want to thank everybody for these gifts. I've always said it, and you say it best. You guys know me. You guys know me. You know who I am. You know about my writing. You know what I like. You know I'm a fan of Black Panther now. I'm a big X-Men fan, and you bring my girl Psylocke in the building. Batman animated series, one of my favorite shows of all time. I'm a big DC fan. Man, you guys show me so much love and support. I appreciate it. I really appreciate it, yo. It's hard to bring tears to my eyes. I'm telling you. It's not that I'm not comfortable with being emotional. It's just that I don't think crying is a sign of weakness. it's hard for me to do that. I was literally that kid that would get spanked and like, you probably wouldn't see me cry. You'd think someone's like, what's wrong with him? Like, I'd be like, you know what I mean? It's hard to see me cry, you know? So, I appreciate this. This was amazing. This has been a hell of a 2-week show. I'm going to tell you, everybody, eventually. I got one thing I got to tell y'all, but I can't say it yet. I'll tell you when the time is right. I can't say it yet. but because of you guys, you know, you guys already seen one move with the studio, you know, building that so we could do more content. And then you had Black Panther this week, All-Star Weekend. You know, me and my family, we're at good ends right now. It's just been really cool with everybody. It's been real cool. And then this love right here is dope. All right. Thank you. We gotta keep the train moving though. I don't wanna, you know, put everybody to. All right. We got another box right here. This says Amazon. All right. Whew. All right. Let's go. Bruh. What? Bruh. Oh. Yes. This is what's up right here. My boy Cesar Romero, the Joker. Batman. Look at that shape. He's right there. Oh, shoot. Oh, this is tight right here. Oh man. Oh, gee. Oh, man. Oh, gee. This is tight. The first on-screen Joker. It's like he's pulling my leg. The Joker. Oh, shoot. Tell me who sent this in the comments down below, please. Because this is fire. Oh, gee. Cesar Romero's Joker, bro. He even got, bruh. Oh my gosh. Dude. Oh my gosh, dude. He even has, because you know back then the makeup wasn't as good to make the Joker white face. So they have the black mustache hair coming out. I don't know if y'all can see it. But take a real look. I'm going to hold it real still as I can. Bruh. Cecil sent me that Batman, Adam West. So I believe that this is Cecil. Smells good too. Thank you. Look, thank you. This is tight. Look, like I won a award. Thank you for making me the #1 jokester of Jay-3 Entertainment, aka the Batman. Being the funniest one, the comedian, the one that writes these jokes. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you. This one, hey, thank you guys. This is epic, yo. That's tight. That right there is dope, and then it gets even motherfucking better because my boy Swamp Thing Pop version is in the motherfucking building, yo. This dude right here is on point. I have a Swamp Thing Pop, yo. He glows in the dark, yo. Oh snap, that's tight. I love Swamp Thing, man. Swamp Thing is one of those characters that he just screams to me, just cool. Just like Swamp Thing, man. It's freaking dope.
Yeah, I think that green dude's good.
I believe this is Cecil, but thank you if it's not. Even though, thank you, Cecil, but if it's not Cecil, thank you. I appreciate it. Please put in the comments down below. Tell me if you got who sent this, but this was tight. This was tight. Because I know Cecil, BJ Found said they sent something, but I don't know what they sent. So I'm just saying thank you, everybody. All right. We got, this is a big freaking box right here, yo. So I'm going to do my best. Oh, shoot. It got a little weight on it, y'all. It got some weight. I'm just going to say the first name. It said from Sam. So let's see what's in the box.
What the fuck?
Beef juice in the house. This is your brains on drugs. Oh shit, son.
Wait. Notre Dame. Says help us display sea green in Notre Dame Stadium. Shout outs to Notre Dame. There's a lot of Notre Dame. Oh, okay. Ooh! Somebody gonna be mad at me, but guess who just hit the epic scene? Somebody gonna be angry. Shout out to you X-Files, but you can't have this. And I'm telling you that right now. Cause my girl Storm is in the building. That's why our pussies. What do you say? What my boy is ready fire say? Her name's Storm because her pussy's always wet. Epic triple. Look at this motherfucker right here. Storm is in the building. White costume version. She's gorgeous. Sorry, X-Files, but you can't have this one, yo. I got the husband and wife. Freaking Storm and the king of Wakanda, T'Challa. Bruh. Black excellence and love in the building, yo. I have officially 3 black superheroes, not counting Starfire, on this wall of epicness, yo. And Storm has done it. This is an epic unboxing. And my girl Storm is in the mother freaking building. 573 out of 1,500. We're gonna drop that right there. What's this one for? Look at her, yo. Look at her, yo. Storm is in the building, yo. Storm is in the mother freaking building. Who sent this Storm, yo? Cause she up in this mother freaker. Look at that beautiful Storm. It's calling for the winds. Look at Storm. X-Files, you can't have her. This is mine. The wall of epicness just got that much epic, yo. I got X-Men, y'all. I got Psylocke. I got Storm, y'all. I got Wolverine sitting behind me. This one's for you, Morph. Oh, bruh. I got freaking... Jeez, I got Black Cat down there, bruh. Come on, man. I got Mrs. Marvel down there, bruh. We got X-Men up in the building and Avengers, bruh. This statue is fire. Look at Storm, bruh. Look at Storm. Look at her, yo. Look at her. They even put on her a thicker pedestal, bruh. Cause she's that dope. Bruh, who sent that Storm? Man, one more time. She is epic. Bruh. Bruh. Look at Storm, ladies. Look at Storm. She's beautiful. Ladies, look at her. She's beautiful. X-Files, you can't have her, bruh. She's mine. Tight. Let me make sure his name went in that box. It's mine. This was a dope You Got Mail Part 7. Bruh, I'm gonna do a recap of all this, but you guys know how Jay-3 do it. I got a personal gift right here. I'm gonna say who it's from. Oh hell, my birthday came up. It's from my girl. She said buy you something. I know what it is because I bought it, but it's from her. So I saw this a while ago. So I said, okay, well, I want to go ahead and get this one. And it was like, done. So let's go ahead and look at this gift. Probably the biggest box I've ever. What could be in this thing right here? Look how big this box is, y'all. Look how big this box is, y'all. Y'all don't know. Y'all don't know. Look how big this box is. Let me move some of this over. Move some of this over, yo. Cause yeah, I got real sick on my birthday, and it was beginning of the month. You know how the beginning of the month, the New Year's, people broke. So this is a late birthday gift for me, but here it is. Look at this box. Look how big it is. Look how big this box is, y'all. Let's see what it is. Y'all wanna play a guessing game? What y'all wanna guess? Start guessing, yo. I don't think nobody. Woo! It looks better than it did on the picture. It looks better than it did on the picture. Oh my God! Oh my God! Y'all not ready for this shit. You're getting the 100%, the realest, the illest, you got some of the best, illest gifts you ever seen in your life, and it's just gonna get that much better. 1, 2, This right here, my friends. Team Jay-3, new subscribers, newcomers, people just watching your boy with this epic regular show shirt. I got that epic, amazing gifts right here that means so much to me. Personals, gifts, knowing me gifts. And this right here is a great birthday gift. Wonder Woman, look at that sheet, bruh. I have Wonder Woman's weaponry, bruh. It gets no better than that, baby. I got Thor's hammer from the northern gods, and now I have the Amazon from the Greek gods weaponry. Oh my gosh. It gets no better than that, baby. Look at that box. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this, bro. Right here, y'all. Oh, dude. Look, I even got the cleaning cloth, y'all. Freaking Wonder Woman's tiara, yo. Dude. Wonder Woman's bracelets, bruh. Dude. Ladies, it's getting real up in here. I got Wonder Woman's rope. Damn, I don't think the guards can get this out. Oh, shoot. That sheet. Yo. Stone. Look at that. Look at that. This is basically the base that puts everything on there, yo. Look at that Wonder Woman sign, yo. Look at that. Look like it was carved out of like a piece of, actually like a pillar or something from the temples and stuff. I like that detail. That's lit right there. Look at that. This is the instructions to tell me how to put this thing together. So, it's basically shows I gotta put the rope around first. And then do that. So we're gonna hook this baby up right now. Cue the music. There you go, team. Look at that. That's epic. That is what I call epic triple. Oh my gosh. Look at that, y'all. That right there is what I call amazing. Shout outs to Ken. I know he's watching, man. Hey, Ken, look. Yeah. This is tight, bro. This is tight. This is tight. So, this was amazing. You Got Mail Part 7, y'all. So, let's do a recap of everything. We have the Wonder Woman full prop set, the lasso, the bracelets, the tiara. Right there. Wonder Woman. Epic. Next, we have this beautiful Storm. Oh my gosh, who sent this? Storm is fire. Look at her. We place Storm right here. Then we have Cesar Romero's Joker, yo. Fire right here, man. Very emotional right here. This is a very emotional unboxing. We have a Swamp Thing pop, yo. This is tight. I like these pops. I got Psylocke right here, baby. Psylocke from the X-Men, looking gorgeous and beautiful. So tappable right now if I was a comic book character. Then I got my man from Wakanda, T'Challa, Black Panther, hitting the J3 Entertainment epic wall. Look at him. Look at that gold. It pops. Oh my gosh. From 2004. T'Challa. Makes me feel so good. What a beautiful week. Then I have this very touching and emotional gifts right here. My name, J3 Entertainment, first one part of the Justice League, engraved pen case with a dope wooden engraved J3, aka the Batman pen. Very touching right there. That hits the soul. And then I have this epic portfolio. It says, keep writing, never give up, and obtain your dreams, J3 Entertainment. Dope. Dope gifts, man. Shout out to Team J3 for all the support. This is amazing. Then I have these two epic pops right here hitting the scene. I got Clayface and I got Scarecrow, baby, hitting the scene. Dope. Dope. Oh, right here. Nah, then you blocking these two. I'll pop them right here. Dope. As you guys can see, I got pops, baby. I got pops. Then I got this epic DC encyclopedia, all new edition, the third encyclopedia they have come out with since they've been doing this in 2004. Right there, baby. With all new mother freaking DC characters and new stories and new powers and new takes on these characters, all in this one magnificent, beautiful encyclopedia. That shit is fire. Then I gotta give a recap of one of the illest shirts I've ever seen in my whole entire life. Here we go. We got Deku and All Might, baby. Deku and All Might. The shirt is fire. I love this shirt. Dope. But that's not the only fire shirt we got. We got two more fire shirts, yo. We got another My Hero Academia with the whole class of right here. Check them out. Dope, dope. Then I got my boy Chadwick Boseman, aka the Black Panther, baby, with the Biggie Smalls crown. Check that shit out. New York lives. It's up in here right here. I love it. So let's just say Wakanda lives. We up in there. And then I got the epic, one of the most epic fusions of all time, baby. Black Panther and Batman with the epic Batman symbol says Panther. This was an epic, amazing, fulfilling, love everything's in the building with this amazing You Got Mail Part 7. Amazing 2 weeks. It's been fire the whole time. And I won't stop. I'm not gonna stop. Shout out to Team J3 for all the love and support. We almost at 13,000 subscribers. We got the studio pushing, so we're gonna be giving you content on that. Shout out to the Patreons for keeping these lights going, this camera flowing, that internet pushing. I know I mix it up, but that's what it is, man. You guys I truly appreciate it. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. The Patreon donations is how I've been keeping that internet speed up on point with you guys. 100%. These lights are really going, feeding the squad when they come by and stuff. Shout out to everybody. The donations really matter, and you guys already know, team, that we do what we say we gonna do, and we keep it pushing. We utilize everything, and this right here shows so much love and support. I feel so good. This has been a crazy 2 weeks, and shout outs to Team J3 and newcomers are just checking out the love and support. I truly love this, and I love you guys. You guys mean so much to me. Keep thumbs up these videos. Keep commenting. You guys know thumbs ups and comments really make the blood run. Like it gets me going. Like I love it. I love it. And I see comments and stuff and people showing love and support, even disagreeing. I love it. I love it all because it's all love. And you guys understand what the movement is all about. Keeping it 100 with yourself. Give opinions. Speak your mind. Speak the words. That's all I ask for, guys. And you guys even take it a step further with these epic gifts, epic donations. If you want to go ahead and become on the Patreon, there's a Patreon link down below. If you want to donate, you can go to Streamlabs or PayPal. You guys already know what's going on. Take a look at all the live streams Wednesdays and Fridays. You know how we do it, either on J3 Entertainment or Jody's Corner, man. If you love this reel and this love, push that subscribe button, y'all. Dang. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man. I'm gonna reflect after this camera, and I'm gonna look at this, and I'm gonna cry, cause I can feel it. J3 out.